Hey, welcome. And basically, you can see this as our harbor. And in this lecture, what we want to do is we want to be able to add widgets within this main body. Okay. Now to do this, within the custom scroll view, right after the silver harbor, it has a property known as silver to box adapter. Okay, and the silver to box adapter has a property known as child. And now we can have a column widget. And as you know, a column can take multiple widgets which are going to be displayed vertically. And we want to have a test form field. Okay, decoration, and this is going to be input decoration and not box decoration or input decorator, but input decoration. Okay, and now we can have a label test, label, sorry, label test, and this is going to say business name. Okay, you can see to save, and also we can add a comma over there, and also we can add a comma over here, and this is going to format it now. And you're gonna see this over here. Seems cool. And we can wrap this with a padding. We can just wrap this column with a padding to give some breathing space that is both horizontally and vertically. You can see we said or. Okay. And now we can copy this and paste this, and this can be the email address. And for sure you can add multiple fields you want. You can add some extra fields, and you're not gonna face any issue following the course. Okay, and also we can copy this again, and this is gonna say phone number. Great. Use Control S to save. Okay, sounds good. And we can have a size box over here, and we are given the space vertically, so this is gonna be height. We can say maybe height of 15 or height of 10 should be okay. And we can easily just copy this and paste it over here as well. Okay, use Ctrl S now to save. Okay, sounds cool. And what we can also do is within the test form field, it has a property known as keyboard type. And this is going to be test input type. Then this is going to be email address. So by using this, it's going to automatically predict most of the signs that has to do with email. Sounds cool. And use Ctrl S now to save. And let's see what it does. We click on email address, and you can see we have this email address field, and click on this. You can see we do not have that. And click on this, you can see. And also, we can do same for the number, keyboard type, and test input type, and this is gonna be dot number. And default, I think it is set to name, but we can also check that out. Test input type dot name. You see we have a lot over here. Okay, name. Okay, okay, seems good. Okay. And I'm just gonna increase this to 10 and wait for this. Okay, great, great. And in the next lecture, we're just gonna continue from here.